Hello traders, this is James Alliss from the forextraderoom.com. Today's the 2nd of July 2010. I did actually put up a video on YouTube for pound dollar making new highs, but for some reason it didn't go on. I'm a bit annoyed actually because I spent a bit of time doing that. Not much point me putting it up after the event, so a bit frustrated by that because I did expect it to make new highs and it did. I got caught out on actually because I shorted it at one point and made a small loss, but that's trading. Anyway, so what we got here? The dollar Swiss weekly chart. Let me show you why I think we got a high probability setup here. Start by drawing in this obvious area of previous support here. That's around the 106 level. As you can see, as price has respected this level many times in the past, so that's going to act most likely as an area of support, as it has in the past. Secondly, Fibbo study. Swing point, 61.8, as you can see there. So that's two reasons there why we may see price stall here. So now we're looking for price action to confirm that it could potentially reverse. So let me bring up some more charts here. This is a daily chart, and you'll see the 200 period moving average there. So that's three reasons now why the pair may very well reverse at this point. Now I appreciate the 4 hour and the daily charts. Every chart is saying short the dollar Swiss. All of them are. If you look at this 4 hour chart here, clear downtrend. So this is against the trend, what I'm saying here, but price doesn't go down forever. Eventually it will reverse. So like I said, I am looking for that reversal. So I'm going to go to an hourly chart now, and let me just point out the obvious here. We got this move up. Now we're consolidating. Obvious consolidation now. So draw that in a bit better. So you can see, hopefully, from this video what may happen here. Price actions consolidating, ready for a move. Now I know the trend is down, clearly down, but like I just said, price doesn't go down forever. Now you've got to be mindful of this level here on the hourly. That's the 50 period moving average. But based on the fact that we're this low down and we haven't had a retracement yet, hardly anything at all, I am expecting price to go long. Okay, I know this is against the trend once again. I know it is, but I trade what I see. Now if I can see price break out of this consolidation, I think this is a very good buy signal here, guys. I'm sure you can see it. So where would price potentially go to? Let's have a look. Go back to a daily chart. This is the weekly. We'll skip down to the daily. Where could price go? Let me see. Actual fact, let me do this on a daily chart with moving averages, because moving averages are price likes to gravitate towards moving averages. So at the moment, you'll see I've drawn this red line in here. Why have I drawn it there? Because there's an area of previous resistance along here on the left hand side. Let's draw a Fibbo study in. You know, Fibonacci is a very nice tool to use, and it has its place. The market does like to use it. There's one major Fibbo study, and then there's this obvious minor swing point here. So let's look for areas of confluence. Yeah, it looks probable that if we can break out of that hourly consolidation and stay above these moving averages, it looks probable that we're going to make our way up to oops, sorry, wrong chart. Make our way up to 108, possibly 109, because we've got a 50% Fibbo level there, previous area of resistance. So watch that level, guys. I think we could very well see this go up to 108 and higher. Go back to the hourly chart again, and you'll see those moving averages there. That's at is that 108? Yeah, so they're 200 periods on the hourly. So we've got to be mindful of those. I'm just looking at the overall trends. Yep, dollar Swiss. We're at 106.50 level now. I think the high probability we're going to go up to around 108. Well, we're around 109, 1.09, the round number, because of this obvious point of support. Let me just put this on a chart of no indicators, just so you can see what I mean. That's where we are now, and this is where I'd expect price to go, around there. Let's move it slightly higher. Thereabouts. You can see in the past how price kept bouncing around in there. So yeah, I think there's a very good chance if we can break out of that 1 hour consolidation, we can make our way up to that level. So from there up to there. Once again, this is counter trend, but nothing goes down forever, guys. So are we going to see this? I think so. I think there's a good chance we could and potentially go even higher. So I just want you to bear that in mind, that if price does start making its way back up, expect some sort of resistance around that level. It could go higher, you know, boom, I don't know, no one knows. Just if you took a trade, you could put your stop loss down here. In fact, I will be taking this trade long. It just seems too good because your risk reward's exceptional. You can put your stop down there, below the most recent. This isn't an actual swing point yet, but you can put your stop somewhere down there, and then your profit target, first profit target, up by this red line. So there you have it, guys. No guarantees this is going to pay out, but it does look very, very good. So I hope you enjoy the video and make some money, maybe. Okay, bye bye.